Okay.
Okay, there's Jersey, that,
Yeah.
and then Brantford. So this line had existed, and this line from Detroit came right through Ontario and down to Buffalo.
Yeah.
But there was nothing between here and there were lots of farmers and businesses. There was a mill, no communication. So this line was built in 1890. Jerseyville was one of the places. The station operated from 1896 till 1960. 1960, by that time, most people had cars.
Okay.
And for personal use, so they didn't need it for travel so much. And shipping of goods, usually it was trucks that was doing it now, cheaper than going on the rail.
Yeah.
So they closed it down. They closed that line down. It went up for sale.
That is the
other rail trails there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I go there.
Yeah.
I go there, like they go to Dundas Valley. They have a
yeah, that's on the rail trail. Yes.
Yeah. That's another station.
And I think you can see kind of where the station used to be from there. Yeah. And part of the rail when the station was bought, they didn't have a place to put the property. And they bought 3 10-acre lots from a farmer who was selling. So it was the first thing here. And they had to, no, I didn't, did I?
Wow. Okay.
So it's all together. They took the bottom off, parts were removed, and they brought it on the road. The man's up there. I think that's saw some trees off. I don't know.
Go through.
And this little jigger.
Yeah.
And there's a little jigger house here. They call that, and this sign for Summit. That was the station that was next to Jerseyville.
Okay.
But that in Jerseyville as well. The crews that were in that little house. One is a Mr. Smith, James Smith, and in 1911 granted the ability to do telegraphic lines were all owned by the railway. So if you wanted to send a telegram, you came into the railway.
Yeah.
So that was a function as well as the train stuff.
Okay, I got.
Yeah.
That's why I see the old the American Standard Telegraph.
Yeah, they owned all because the wires ran down the railway lines, and they put the posts up, and the wires would be tightened on the posts.
Okay.
This is the Morse code.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Longer.
So you have to know it, and they could also communicate with all the stations on the line. So what they do, they have this on all day, and when the train left Jerseyville, will be on time, or it's delayed, or there's something wrong. They could communicate to all the stations on the line.
Great.
If they engineer, if the train might only have 2 in the day, but so they go through slowly. Get the engineer and the conductor a message about something. They put it on a post, and they put this out,
And
and he'd grab with this and take it off and drop the hoop.
Okay.
And he'd pick the hoops up and bring them to yeah, and the engineer couldn't really see the conductor. The conductor ran the train, like all the passenger stuff and that. He would be in the back, in the caboose. So both of them had to know what was going on.
Okay.
And what else?
Okay.
This is to clip the when the baggage carriages were, they closed it up with one of these.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and Vera put her numbers on the wall.
Why? Oh, yeah.
So once somebody was expecting a shipment, if the shipment came in, she'd put the number down, and she's got the names and numbers.
Okay. So that's not too much, right? Not too much shipment, even too much shipment.
Because not very many people had phones to start.
Okay.
And then it gets up to 5, and then it's got 7
Okay.
in 1960.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Very
So,
good.
do you have any questions?
No, I'll check here.
That's the storage area.
Yeah.
Stations were designed in as the waiting room.
Okay.
So they have their equipment for hauling. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. I'll check there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.